so today we're going to be playing with sparklers, like the
Fur babies!
like the fireworks, sparklers, and stuff.
Fur babies.
We're going to go outside right now and do it. So
Fur babies.
let's get started. So we're going to do it right now.
Come on! Go put on your shoes. Go get a jacket because you're going to be cold.
Okay, we're going outside in the dark.
Girl, and you're really scared of the dark.
Where's the
No, I'm not
light?
scared of the dark. It's so dark outside, you guys. So dark.
Hold it out.
Okay,
Hold it out.
so we're doing it. It's crazy.
And who else got one?
Woohoo!
Minnie, your turn.
Okay, so it's very cold outside, and I want my jacket, so let's go. So we got it. Sparklelicious.
Turn it around.
Here, stop moving it. Girl,
That's
stop
not
moving.
gonna work.
Yeah, it worked before.
Woo!
When we was on the boat.
Sparkle. Yeah.
Hey.
If
Sparklelicious.
it anymore, that's it.
Okay, well, we're done. Well, I am at least. So, you know. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.